Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Tecno Spark Go 2024 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to enter display and brightness. Then let's scroll down and find eye care, so this is the name of the eye comfort mode in this device, and simply tap on this switcher first of all. Or actually I cannot do it, I can. After tapping on it, your device will apply the eye care. You can see that the screen changes the colors from those light to those yellowish tones. It is the best idea to use this mode if you are a night owl. It will be basically much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So instead of just turning it on, you can also customize it. So just tap on this eye care option, and here we've got the intensity switcher. We are on the warmest side. We can go to the cool one to the left. Okay, so as you can see, it is a delicate effect. Of course, set it just like you want to on the level which is the most comfortable for you. You can also schedule that feature, so you can either set it from sunset to sunrise, and your device will decide when the sunsets and sunrises are, and this option is location based, or you can set custom schedule, so simply choose the start time and the end time, and of course your device will apply the mode accordingly between the start and the end time, of course. So this is the whole customization, and if you want to have much faster access to this option, simply unroll the top bar, and here we have to find the eye care icon, which is right here. So let's simply tap on it to apply it and tap on it to turn it off again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.